When things go sideways, will you be prepared? Hi, I'm Matthew from Greenhorn Grove Farms. Here's the one piece of gear I can't live without.
The Patriot Power Generator 2500X. Whether I'm working on the farm or surviving a storm, I can count on the free power of the sun to keep everything running. Even a full-size fridge with no gas, no fumes, and no noise. Go to 4patriots.com. You'll get a solar panel included free. This is about peace of mind. Get your solar generator and free panel at 4patriots.com.